Hi, I'm Jared, and I'm going to show you everything you need to know about storing, handling, and serving craft cocktail rocks. Each case contains several packs of commercially vacuum-packed bags. Always reseal the bag once it has been opened. If you have a freezer at the bar, keep it set at 25 degrees. If you are sharing your freezer with food service items, it is likely set for 0 degrees or less. This is okay, but you will need to temper the ice before it is used. Tempering is a method to keep the ice from cracking when it comes into contact with the beverage. There are two methods to avoid this. It's best to cold temper the ice. This is done by taking a pack of ice and placing it in a refrigerator. The ice will be ready in about 45 minutes. When the ice becomes completely clear, it is ready to use. If you're in a rush, you can speed temper the ice. This is done by simply taking a pack of ice and letting it sit at room temperature. The ice will be ready to use within 10 minutes. You may store craft cocktail rocks in the existing commercial ice bin in a separate bag or container. They should last 2 to 4 hours depending on the circumstances. You should always handle the ice with tongs. Take care to place the ice in the glass, not drop it in. If working behind the bar, prepare the ice and pour the cocktail right in front of the customer. They will be mesmerized and enjoy the show. It's time to begin improving your cocktails and building a great reputation. Just visit our website or give us a call to get started. Vault Ice, clearly better.